we live on earth between people. It's okay to say this, but where exactly we live is our own body. It's a space that our soul occupies to reside. There are many things in our body: oxygen, blood, water, cells. But the most important is your soul. Every space in our body, every bit of our body is occupied by our soul. Every part of our body is define something. Every part of our body we live on earth between people. We live on earth between people. It's okay to say this, but where exactly we live is our own body. It is a space that our soul occupies to reside. There are many things in our body: organs, cells, blood, water, oxygen, many more. But the most important is our soul. Every space in our body, every bit of our body is occupied by our soul. Every part of our body defines something. For example, skin. Skin defines the boundaries of our body, which restrict the space. But do you really think there's a boundary and we cannot go beyond those boundaries? Physically, yes, we cannot go beyond, we cannot exceed. But your soul can, your thoughts can. For instance, even your thoughts occupy space. Not everything which is tangible can occupy space, but even intangible things can occupy space. So if you think space as just a vacant part of your body, then you might be wrong, because space can be defined as a place which is unoccupied or available for anything which can be intangible or tangible to reside in it. And there can be intangible elements like feelings, emotions, thoughts, ideas, which are allowed to reside in your body, in your soul. Moving ahead, though the body belongs to you, it does have access to others. But yes, you can control those access. It is physical and psychological. When you have sex, your body belongs to other for a particular time phase. But yes, so your body belongs to others. You share your space, you share your body. Your space adjusts according to the action happening. The best example for this could be pregnant woman. She carries a whole other human being in her womb. This means she shares her space with that human being. This fact, this can be it also has a psychological aspect, and it can be easily defined or explained with the concept of hypnosis, when a person, by using some techniques, can rule you, can rule your space, can have control over your body, can have control over your space. One more concept could be, not concept, but one more thing could be, you have we as human have tendency to love someone. When we love someone, be it a human or an animal, we generate feelings for them, we think about them, we think for them. This means we are giving them space, we are in ourselves, we are thinking about them, we are giving them space in ourselves, in our space, in our body, in our mind, in our heart. So yes, we can access others' territories and others can access our territories. So yes, we can exchange our territories. Now the question arises, if the space we reside is a good or a bad place. Yes, of course it is a good place, but as we make our surroundings dirty, we even make our space dirty by allowing negative or abnormal thoughts which can destroy our space, which can destroy ourselves. Thinking very physically, when we consume drugs, our space, our body is destroyed and transformed into a bad place. And when we are doing this, we should have control over us. We as an individual should have control over us, because these negative activities, can destroy your space, this spiritual space. Yes, I use the word spiritual because it is our soul, it is our spirit which is making this space pure, which is making, or which is keeping this space, this human alive. Thank you.